INFINIX Zero 5, and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down, and here from the settings, let's choose here the security right here. From the security, let's tap here the fingerprint, the second option. And before you add the fingerprint, you need to set the lock screen method. So let me do it, tap settings. You can use pattern, pin or password. So in my case, let me use pattern. You can also require pattern to start the device, or you can choose no thanks. So let me choose no thanks. Let's draw the unlock pattern. Let's do it twice just for confirmation. Here we've got the security question, so let me answer something. Alright, now you can create the fingerprint. So let me choose create right here. So let's place your finger on your sensor. The sensor is located at the back of the device right here. Let's start tapping the sensor a couple of times to save the whole fingerprint. Alright, fingerprint scanned successfully. Now let's choose finish, and now you can lock your device by pressing the power key. You can unlock it by using pattern, and you can also unlock it by using your fingerprint. That's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.